Hello friends, this is me, unknown personality. Today I'm going to tell you about the leaks, rumors, specification and price of Samsung Galaxy device. The device name is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In stark contrast with a recent report claims the S22 Ultra will settle for a more refined version of the current 18MP ISOCELL HM3 sensor. The new one says that the phone will indeed feature a 200MP main camera. IT also point at January 2022 release. The report comes from Korean publication citing various industry sources, and according to those sources, Olympus, a Japanese camera maker, has contacted Samsung to seek partnership. Reportedly, Samsung has agreed to the term and the Galaxy S22 will feature a 5-lens 200 megapixel Olympus branded camera. The report also suggests that a S Pen Sport is in order, but we wondered it would become bundled in the package since this isn't exactly a new feature. The current Galaxy S21 Ultra Sport S Pen 2. In any case, we will keep our ear open because we are getting conflicting reports and nothing is certain for new. If anything, the Galaxy S22 is expected to be announced before the next year.